AuPairWorld works together with the au pair insurance company, Dr. Walter. Today, we're very pleased to be able to speak to Claudia Reichstein, Head of International Programs at Dr. Walter, about au pair insurance, with a particular focus on the importance of travel insurance during the corona pandemic. Thank you very much for making some time available for us today, Claudia.
Thank you very much, Garth, for having me today. I'm really pleased that we can talk about au pair insurance. I have been working at Dr. Walter Insurance Brokers for 12 years now, and we provide international travel insurance, and our core business is educational and cultural exchange. So the au pair insurance is actually in our heart, because Dr. Walter, the founder of the company, started and offered au pair insurance when he started the business. And we still are very fond of the au pair program and want to provide quality insurance for all the au pairs going out in the world and support children and families abroad.
That's great. Let's talk a little bit about what's going on right now. The coronavirus pandemic is affecting the whole world, and health concerns are on everybody's mind at this point. What does that really mean for having an insurance policy now as an au pair?
We think it's always important for au pairs and all international travelers to have travel insurance, in addition to any other national insurance that even applies to staying in Europe, where you have national insurance, because the national insurance and the EHE card would not cover all the costs after a medical treatment abroad. Now with the pandemic, we think it's even more important to have a closer look and to especially look at the small print, because not all the travel insurances cover medical treatment in the same way. And now it's really important to look at the exclusions as well and make sure that COVID-19 treatment is covered and not excluded, that pandemics are not excluded from coverage. The whole situation actually changed when the WHO declared COVID-19 as a pandemic. And nobody would have ever thought that would be possible. But many of the insurance products exclude pandemics from coverage. They
exclude pandemic?
Yes.
Ah, yeah. And the Dr. Walter insurance does not?
No, we do not. We don't have any exclusions. So when an au pair is abroad and infected with COVID-19, then the acute illness is covered.
I believe you have an app that's included with insurance cover when you're using a Dr. Walter insurance policy. Is that right?
Yeah, that is correct. We have been providing an app for many years already, providing country information for students or volunteers traveling to countries to make them aware of risks in the country. And now we have launched a new app, which is also available for the au pairs and for our AuPairWorld plan, which is our insurance plan for au pairs traveling to all countries in the world except for Germany. We have another plan for inbound Germany. And this app provides a lot of new features, which are really helpful. It provides a 24/7 emergency number, which is of course always important to have. And with the app, download it on the cell phone, you can just push an emergency button and you're directly connected with the emergency center.
Ah, yeah, that's great.
Assistance. So it's quite easy to contact the emergency center. You do not need to have the number in mind or somewhere in your purse. You can just push the button. And it's also kind of a tool where you can administer the complete insurance. You can upload claims, provide the claims directly to us with sending them via the app. And we have a document center where you can store all your different documents, the insurance confirmations and bills, doctor's bills.
Yeah.
And I think what will be really helpful in these difficult times, we provide online consultations. So the au pair, when not feeling well, can arrange for an online consultation with a doctor at our assistance company. They have employed doctors, staff available, and they can get first advice. So for example, when they have a rash or they do not know what to do, they can talk to a doctor, like in an online practice. And get first advice, and the doctor can then either give a prescription or tell them it's better to see a doctor.
That sounds like a terrific service.
Yeah,
and
that is
that's
a
all
very good
included
service, especially now.
in the price of the insurance, in the monthly insurance fee.
Yes, it's all included. It's an extra service to make the insured's life easier and to help them handle the insurance.
I know insurance situations differ, and therefore premium prices for insurance differ a little bit, but roughly what kind of monthly costs are we talking about for an au pair insurance policy?
It depends on, for overseas insurance for au pairs traveling to other countries, it depends on which country they are going to. Within Europe, it's more affordable than going abroad to other countries. For example, for the US and Canada, we have higher premiums. It's in a different zone because the medical treatment in the US and Canada is very expensive. So we have, for this product, we have 3 premium zones, and the premium starts at around 30 euros, below 30 euros actually for medical insurance per month. And for the worldwide coverage, it's around 40 euros, and then for the US, it's a bit more expensive.
Okay.
Just to give an example, but it's around that range. So
and inside Europe, we're looking at prices around 30 euros per month.
Inside Europe, yes, for the medical insurance. You can also, with AuPairWorld, you can choose if you want to add liability and accident insurance and also luggage insurance. It's an additional component you can add to the medical coverage.
Okay. We will link to the Dr. Walter website below for any viewers who are interested in following up on insurance and getting all the details of how the policy works. This has been super helpful, giving an overview of the services. Thank you so much. Yeah, hope you have a nice day.
Thank you very much for having me, and I send all my best wishes to all the au pairs in the whole world.